My grandfather Dominic was suffering from a condition called Lewy body dementia, and he fell in his home, broke his hip, and my grandmother got downstairs, got help to the house. Unfortunately, he ended up passing away the day after Christmas, and that tragedy actually was the motivation for us to begin making a device that could prevent seniors from falling, which is actually the core root of WiseWare's mission, to make devices to keep people healthy, safe, and empowered. We can make any metal device smart. Prior to this innovation, every wearable or any product that has a Bluetooth component has to be made of a plastic or elastomer kind of material in order to allow the transmission of Bluetooth through it. So whenever a woman is traveling or is downtown in a metropolitan area, she just flips her wrist, taps the bracelet, and it makes an automatic phone call to her loved ones and sends a text message of her exact GPS location. Now we're currently selling the product at Saks Fifth Avenue in New York City and online, and also at Nordstrom. So we started WiseWare. I cleaned up my retirement account, got a little bit of money to get us started, filed a C Corp, and then we moved down to Geekdom. A lot of the team members that are here at WiseWare and others, even investors in the community, that's where we met and interfaced with them. There's significant value in actually having an office or even just a desk there at Geekdom in the community area. One, you can actually meet with other entrepreneurs that are either earlier stage or later stage, and they can provide some insight. But you can always meet other entrepreneurs, drink some coffee, and you end up meeting others that may provide some inputs in terms of marketing or product development that you would not get if you're alone at home. I think some of the other beneficial aspects is just kind of this herd mentality, right? So if you have other people around that are marching forward and trying to take action and actually build their business, it's motivating in terms of a cultural feel. Geekdom really played a role in expediting the time that it took for us to move from idea phase into a prototype and minimal viable product.